Welcome back. You're watching NewsX. Let's look at the top headlines at this hour.
That bombs its own people, conduct systematic genocide, can only attempt to distract the world with misdirection and hyperbole.
India rips into Pakistan at the UN debate on women, peace and security, says a country that bombs its own people and conducts a systematic genocide can only hope to distract the world after Pakistan's comments on Kashmiri women at the forum. US President Donald Trump has reiterated his claim that he brokered a peace deal between neighbors India and Pakistan using trade threats. Trump asserted that he stopped 7 wars using the US tariffs. Another cough syrup-related death in Madhya Pradesh after a child from Chhindwara loses her life due to kidney failure. This takes the total cough syrup death toll to 17. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit out at the TMC over pathetic law and order condition in West Bengal after the attack on 2 BJP leaders in the state. CM Mamata Banerjee has also hit back, saying BJP leaders went to the area without informing local administration. US President Donald Trump has slammed Democrats for shutting down the US government, says he is happy to work with Democrats on their failed healthcare policies if they allow the government to reopen. Ten people were seriously injured after a blast in Chhattisgarh's Chirmiri coal mine, of which 5 are still undergoing treatment. Authorities have launched an internal probe to determine the cause of the incident. Moving on.